50.
What? Again? Again! No! Again! No. Again! He wants me to do this again!
No, it's gonna go sideways, so like.
You can always rotate it.
Oh, really?
Well, I think you can rotate it. Yeah, you can. I think so. Can I catch it on video? I did. Oh, I thought
Yo, girl, tell me what's popping up in your world. I'ma bring my boys, you bring your girls up in the spotlight. Baby, let's get 'em right. We can just lean to the left, lean on to the